Hello, this is a video about how to register for fall classes at Bridgewater State University as a student in the College of Science and Mathematics. In this video, you will learn information about a research study at Bridgewater State that examines whether the courses students take impacts their success. You will also learn about how to register for fall classes. Your participation in the research study is voluntary. The way you participate is you enroll in recommended courses. Those recommended courses were individually selected for you based on your major, math, and writing placement. Enrolling in the recommended courses is the easiest way to create a fall schedule with the right classes for you. You would have received an email with information about how to register. The email has appearance like this. Please take a moment to review all the information in the email. In particular, for registering, there's two sections. One that says how you would register if you were taking part in the study. And for that, you need to write down these 5-digit numbers that start with 9. These are the course registration or CRN numbers. If you choose not to participate in the study, there are recommendations for the courses that you should take based on your major and math and writing placements. If you're participating in the study, you do need to register for all the classes listed in Section 1. Let's explain how to sign up for fall classes. We'll start at mybsu.bridgew.edu. You'll need to log in with your BSU username and password. You might need to change your password. We're going to click on InfoBear. If necessary, click on Single Sign-On. This will bring up a page where we can enter our username and password. From there, click on Student and then Student Profile. This brings up a really important page as a Bridgewater State student that has lots of information. You'll be using this page quite a lot. Before we can register for classes, we need to do two things. The first is to sign the Student Financial Responsibility Agreement. Please click on that link, read, agree, and return to this page. Then click on View Registration PIN. Write down that number, as you will need it later. You'll need to enter it when prompted. Now we're going to register for classes. The easiest way to register for classes and make sure we're in the right classes is to agree to the pre-selected schedule. We'll show you how to do that. After we show you how to do that, we'll show you how to go about building your own schedule. To start, click on Registration. First, we need to select the semester. So we'll click on Fall of this year from the drop-down menu and press Continue. Next, we need to click on Add CRNs. Click on Register for Classes. Have that email or the numbers. We'll enter the CRN numbers, those are the 5-digit numbers starting with 9, clicking Add Another CRN until we've entered all of the numbers. If you don't enter all the CRNs, you will be dropped from all the classes and forced to create a schedule on your own at a later date. Once you've entered all the CRNs, click Add to Summary. Doing so at the bottom of the screen brings up a schedule. The classes that you've just entered will be in gray, and they'll be listed as pending. When you press Submit, you'll be adding those classes to your schedule. Please do that now. You will be able to remove these classes and start over if you choose not to participate in the study. We need to add some additional courses to your schedule, so click on Find Classes. In the email, it will recommend that you take, for instance, a class of English composition. So Bristico, our example student here, has been recommended to take English 101. In the Register for Classes box, he'll type English under Subject and select it, and then 101 and course number and hit Search. There's a scroll bar on the right to help you see more classes. Some of the classes will be full, and others will have time conflicts. You can ignore those. The system won't let you register for them anyway. Find one you like and click Add. That class is now in gray and listed as pending. Press Submit to register for this class. You can search again, and there are some additional courses that were recommended for you. Your AAC advisor can help you make good choices and review what you have scheduled. At this point, you would be ready to make an appointment with your AAC advisor. There are instructions on how to do this in the email. If you have any questions, you can contact Alexandra Adams, AAC Advisor for Science and Mathematics major, at a10adams@bridgew.edu. It's very helpful if you include your Bridgewater ID number 004 something. If you're happy with your schedule, you're done. You're ready to meet with your AAC advisor and come to Bridgewater in the fall. The process of building the schedule on your own is described in the next few slides. We really do recommend that you keep the schedule that has been provided. If you drop one of the courses from the schedule that has been provided, you will be dropped from all the remaining courses as well. The following information is how to create your schedule on your own. First, you need to get rid of all the classes you've already added. So go down and use the drop-down menu and select Drop Before Semester Begins, press Submit, and click Search again. If you're a biology major like Bristico, he's going to enter Biology and 150 and press Search. From here, he'll find a Biology 150 section he likes and click Add. From there, he needs to click on the course name itself on the left. Clicking on the course name on the left will bring up a little dialog box, and you can click on the word Co-requisites, which will bring up a list of specific courses that Bristico needs to add in order to register for that particular Bio 150. So that particular Bio 150 requires Bristico to also enroll in Bio 121 Section 1 and Bio 121 Lab Section 2. So we'll click Search again, enter Biology and 121, find the section required, in this case Section 1, and click Add. Then click Search again, Biology, 121L, and find the section there that is required. You'll repeat this process for all the classes in your class list, making sure to check for time conflicts and co-requisite sections. When you try to add a section without the required co-requisite, the system will give you an error message. Once you've made a schedule, you can make an appointment with your AAC advisor. You can contact Alexandra Adams if you're having trouble. Remember, you must press the Submit button in the lower right to actually register for the classes. If you're having trouble with that, you can always go back and utilize the recommended schedule. Simply drop any classes that you added and add back the recommended CRN numbers. That will save you a lot of time and effort. Thank you. We really look forward to having you as a student at Bridgewater State University this fall.